Oh, welcome everyone. Today we are going to be looking at how to beat the market maker. There has been a lot of folks who have come back to me with, I have been sitting by the side for such a long time now because I'm just afraid to trade crypto because I really don't know which direction it is going, whether it is going up or down. There is a lot of microeconomics out there to make people doubt whether crypto is going to tank more or reverse from here. With the global activities, war in Ukraine, China, balloon, and so many other happenings in the world, no one actually knows where it is going. But because of this fear, you are not investing, you are not trading. So there is a way for you to trade and be on the safer side, which is buy the coins without leverage. You find that trading spot on a coin gives you 100% win rate. Even if it decides to drop further, it is going to come back again. The price is going to come up again above your entry point so that you will be able to make a profit. It might not be a mega profit. It depends on how much you are investing. But you find using spot trading at this point in time keeps you in the trade without missing out on a pump or a big rally up. Now, this is like having the patience of an horse. That's what the idea is all about. Now, you need to be very careful with selecting a coin to use or to trade in this way. Because if you pick the wrong coins that is going to tank or that is going to have a rug pull, you certainly will lose your money. That said, trading is a risk. If you get involved, you should be able to handle the risk. Now I'm going to move on to, there's a lot of argument or there's a lot of points that makes Bitcoin a very solid asset to hold. It has a restriction on the number that can be created. It can only be 21 million BTC. And already 19.1 million so far have been mined, of which 3 to 4 millions are lost. So you're looking at about 16 or so, or 15 to 16 million in circulation at the moment. And the last mining will take place in 2140. Read that. And it has a store value This is the money of today and the future. So having that in mind, Bitcoin is a very good asset. Even if you buy it and the price decide to tank further or go down, when it rallies up again above your entry point, you make your profit. This is the beauty of using spot. You have your coins, and if it goes up, you also make a profit. It depends on what profit is for you. That is the whole idea. So in these uncertain times, you don't want to miss out on eventual rally. So this is something you have to think of. It is also akin or similar to if you were doing dollar cost averaging, because you don't use leverage on those holding of assets. So what you are basically doing is able to trade or able to take profits and accumulate more coins. That is exactly what you are doing. With that said, and I'm going to quickly go to chart. Now, this is a historical price movement of Bitcoin. So if we look at what is happening here on the screen, you observe in every rally, let me start from 2010. Every rally up, there is always a counter rally down, or a markup price and markdown price. So that is what the price action has always been. Even at the moment, we have a rally that took us almost 70,000 or 69,000 depending on the exchange. Before that, we had 65. Now, what we are observing now is rally, probably rally up. Hopefully, this is the bottom. Even if it were in bottom, if you buy a coin on a spot, if you are on the wrong side of the trade, you just need to wait. You just need to have patience. Okay, so this is a monthly time frame. This takes a long time to play out. So let's look at daily time frame. Now, at the moment, we are at 23,302, just as I'm speaking now. If you look at the rally from 15,000 or 14,900, depending on the exchange, that is currently 23,300. If you have bought on a spot based on this formula or this idea, you probably would have made a profit. So if you were lucky enough to be having a Bitcoin, that would probably have made you about 8,000 US dollars. So if you bought at 15,000 or 15K, you would have made about 8,000. Now, if the reverse has happened, it went down to 8K or 9K or 12K, you only bottom or you only went down just with 3,000 US dollars. There are people that actually bought the coin when it was 69. They are still holding the coin. Some are still holding a coin they bought for 50,000 US dollars or 69 or 70,000 US dollars. There are some people who bought the coin at that point. They are holding on to it. So you need to have patience. A lot of people are getting liquidated on leverage left and right. They do think that, it's a quick way to make money. But they end up losing everything. And over a long period of time, they lose tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. So if they were trading on spot, they would have had that coin. They probably would have made profit. I have learned the hard way by using leverage. But if you trade on spot, you find that if the worst happens, you just need to wait. Now, at the moment, a lot of traders are looking at 25 as take profit point. It might not get there. It might just be 24,500 or 24,900 before it does the reverse. If I take the fib retracement from here, let's say we take 25 for example, 25,200 for example, there'll be a lot of buying pressure there. So the place you don't want to just wait to get to, right now, or take profit as well. So what we have here, you find that if there is a replacement, you probably will be looking at somewhere between 21,000 or 20,900 to 21,000. So around those areas. So if you are looking at a ball figure, that is 20,873. As there will be a lot of buying pressure or selling pressure at that point, it's always better to actually be on the top, like 21,000. In that case, you don't get actually have a reverse from there, and your order is not filled up, or just because it didn't get there. That happens. That's just a way to counter it. Sacrifice some few bucks, then you kind of be on the trade every time. So it might retrace at the golden pocket, which is at 618, which is 19,400. If there is a retracement going down. Now, if he decides to continue with this upward trend, you might have a touch of the 25, then it continues down to 32,000. Let's look at where is the last line I have drawn there. 32,384 or so. That was the last place where it began to tank, June 2022. So if it goes there, if the rally continues and go there, if there is a big retracement, let me remove the fee by draw. Let me draw another one. There will be a lot of minor movement before that. So you're looking at a retracement down to around 24,000, pretty much where we have touched now, which is 23,977. I put it at 24,000 US dollars, or lowest if it goes down to 32. We are looking at around 22,000 if it goes back. Now, this up and down movement, you could actually accumulate coins by exiting at a particular spot, then wait for the retracement, buy the coins again, then you are able to buy more coins. This is what the whole idea is all about. Spot could be very useful in that. Now, most of these exchanges, they do have spots. On my description, I do have a link to referral link to Coinbase. If you want to use that, which also give me some commission, please do. And that also gives you, I think, about $10 or so, or $8 to $10, or 10 US dollars. Please do use it. You want to buy spots or whatever exchange you currently use. There is always a spot option there, which enables you to buy the coin. Do also remember to, if the market moves against you, you could actually store the coins in your own wallet, so that if there's anything bad, you don't get your coins stuck in the exchange. Do subscribe, like the video, hit the notification button so that when I'm online, you will be aware. And as time goes on, I'll be doing live. Please do keep your notification on and keep showing up. Thanks.